Yeah, thank you so much, Jeff, for the very kind introduction, and thank you, everyone, for attending this talk. So I'm really excited to have this opportunity to present our recent work on trying to create these intelligent AI assistants that can understand our multimodal world with minimal human supervision. So let me start by telling you this story, right? So once upon a time, right, when I was a graduate student, so this was about maybe like 15 years ago, there were very few visual recognition systems that actually worked, right? So we had systems that could detect faces, recognize your fingerprints, or recognize very simple like characters and digits, but that was really about it. And then something big happened, right? And over the past 10 years, we've had huge success in visual recognition research, where we have systems that can classify images, segment images, detect objects, and many more, right? And of course, this huge success in computer vision research over the past decade has led to an explosion, right, and students wanting to study this area, and startups, and funding, and hiring. And this excitement is just continuing to grow, right? So this plot is an image that was presented at last year's CVPR, so one of the sort of top conferences in computer vision. And what we're seeing here is on the x-axis, the year, right? And on the y-axis, the number of papers that have been accepted and in red and submitted in blue to CVPR, right? And you can see this sort of exponential growth in the number of papers that have been submitted, and it's continuing to grow, right? Now, of course, we all know that the success that we've had, right, over the past decade has really been due to these three key ingredients, right? So big compute provided by GPUs, big deep neural networks, and of course, big data. My personal take is that of these three, the data is really the most important, and I think Jeff alluded to this, that also in the survey, it seems like in industry, this is also a huge sort of potential bottleneck.